Hi everybody, this is Alan from Automate Your Life, and we're just going to walk through the Govee LED smart light that we have here. It's a light strip, and it is the model H6188. Alright, so as you can see here, this light is supposed to provide RGB, so red, green, blue spectrum, and a white ambience LED light. Alright, so as you can see here, it's 6.5 feet. I just coiled it up here so that I can place it on my desk, but it is quite long if you think about it. It can be extended if you wish. It just has this ability here for an extension, as you can see at the end. It's a pretty neat connection area. It also comes with a mounting kit, which basically has stickers on it, or basically mounting brackets, which either you can drill or use the 3M tape that's provided. The lights themselves, basically, as you look down the strip as well, has a sticky 3M tape backing. So you probably want to make sure that your surface is clean. It does come with a alcohol swab, or you can just basically use a wet cloth and dry, make sure the surface is dry, and make sure you know exactly where to put it when you're ready to install it. The colors, let's talk about that. So it does, again, like I said, go through the whole RGB spectrum. It does come with a control box that you need to plug in the light in with. And it's a pretty intuitive contraption here. Basically, you've got two buttons. You've got the power, of course, on top, but this button here will cycle you through the number of colors. So basically, we went from blue to turquoise to purple to white to kind of an orange color, red, light yellow, like a darker yellow, to a light yellow, to green, and then back to blue. The ambience, the white ambience part of it, is controlled by this bottom button. And basically what you'll see is you'll see your LED light color in the middle, and you'll see the two white colors on the side. And so it'll cycle through those same colors. So I'm clicking it here, and as you can see, it goes from white, and it goes to the green in the middle, and then it cycles through. You can see it goes to that blue color, and then that turquoise, and that kind of purple pink, back to white, and then to red, and orange. And if you just let it sit there, it'll actually cycle through the colors by itself. But if you press the button, it will cycle through to the colors that you would like. Now, as you can see, it's actually responding. As I'm talking, it's actually responding to the light, which is a pretty cool feature. That is basically controlled by this mic here. A lot of lights, LED lights, don't actually come with that feature. So that's a pretty cool thing to have. So you can basically put this by your computer as you're playing games, or you can put it by your console, or you can put it by a stereo, or you can just have it out in the open responding to your sound. I can imagine your kids would have a lot of fun with this, but this is just a pretty cool feature to have. Now, like I was telling you before, it can go through a number of colors. If you have the Govee Home app, you can basically go through the 16 million colors that you would like. It can go through a number of scenes. There's a romantic scene, there's a movie scene, there is kind of an ambient lighting scene where it basically switches colors, and it basically goes from off to it cools down and it heats up at different timings. So this lighting basically has a lot of features in it, which is pretty neat. So I think you're going to enjoy this light, have fun using it, and in the meantime, don't hate, automate.